So we continue. Problems of active leisure activities. We also have the problems of active leisure activities. Most of the active leisure activities are what? Costly. Like which leisure activities that is costly? Active leisure activity, like playing golf, is very expensive. Yes. Or what other leisure activity? If you are you go to watch a what? You go to the stadium to watch a what? A rugby game. You'll be inactive because you're cheering your team. It is very expensive. I don't think nowadays there's any ticket that is below 1,000. Yes. Also, it can be addictive. Some of the like which active leisure activity that can be addictive? Yes. Yes. Yes, if you are using it can only be active if you are using the VR. It is very addictive. It also it can require you to use a lot of energy. Like if you're playing for the football is 40 minutes. Yes? It is 90, 45. So you can it needs the use of a lot of energy. Also, some of the active leisure activities like boxing are very dangerous. You're the ones I was telling you I went to watch a match and I'll never do it again. I told you, boxing I went. I'll never. I didn't tell you that story. Number one, when I was going, no one told me we were going to watch the boxing. And it was not even... We arrived. And then we arrived. You just arrived. And people were just there. So we said, first we're going to pass somewhere. So we go. So I see the arena. So of course, I'm happy. We are going to watch. Then I say, this is what you do. It was sponsored by Red Bull. Red Bull are so generous. Then we go there. Then people start just fighting. The nini don't work. Those nini they put, the gloves, they don't work. Let me tell you, they don't work. They were just there knocking each other, and one was bleeding. And the men, they were just saying, unapigwa, wewe ni mwanaume, unapigwa, mpige. And they were just there cheering. I'll never do it again in my life. I stayed for almost 30 minutes. They said, no, find me in the car. Never ever will I do. On the TV when you see like wrestling, those are lies. They don't even, there's no blood. Yes, they're just there. Boxing. Grown-up men telling other men to fight. I'll never forget. Even today, I even ask, where are we going? I keep on saying, you have to tell me the itinerary before I leave. I was so scared. Please don't go watch boxing. It is not a good thing. People are beating each other. And someone is bleeding. Why are you saying they continue? They were not helping. Even the trainer was there, wiping and telling, can you go back and do this again? Now you are bleeding again. No, I was so scared. What if we could have killed him? No wonder Congestina stopped. I only know of one boxer. No, I don't know Congestina. I know Pac-Man. He always wins.